Lifestyle TV viewers, can you guess how we're kicking off the holiday season? That's right, at the most popular holiday destination in Texas, Lonestar Christmas at Gaylord Texan Resort. Gaylord Texan Resort hosts the biggest Christmas event each year that families travel from all over to experience, including the famous ice sculpture attraction.
Welcome, Tiffany and TV viewers.
Hey, Martha and Rudolph and friends. I am so excited about this. Are you ready to be our always amazing behind-the-scenes tour guide?
Oh, thank you. I am so ready to show you all the events and activities that our teams here at the hotel work on all year round to create these holiday memories for families.
Talk about all the photo ops. Oh my goodness. Can we take a selfie?
Oh, we should, yeah.
Okay.
Let's do it.
Come in.
Okay, come on, guys.
Per usual, can you give our Home and Lifestyle TV viewers the grand tour?
I would love to. All right, let's go.
Ho, ho, ho! Welcome to the Gaylord!
Visitors will be enchanted by the resort's magically decorated 4.5 acres, including 2 million twinkling holiday lights, 15,000 shimmering ornaments, a 54-foot tall Christmas tree, giant toy soldiers, gingerbread decorating, Christmas crafting, escape rooms, photos with Santa, plus a Christmas village with an indoor ice skating rink, a 2-story tall 8-lane ice tubing hill, a Christmas carousel, and that is just getting started. Now, Martha, you know that I love to have a good time, but you mix in gingerbread and frosting and candy, and it's like, oh my goodness,
I know.
overload.
And I don't think you ever get too old to like gingerbread house decorating either. And look at these guys. Are you all having fun?
Yay! Good job. I can smell the gingerbread baking. How much does it take to do all of this?
You would never believe it, but we make 30,000 square feet of gingerbread throughout the season. And as much as I love this event for kids and adults, it's so much fun. I really like that it's in this enchanting setting here. We're right below the big tree. We have the fountain, it's underneath the lights. So it just makes for an amazing memory.
Yeah, I love it.
All right, guys, this looks way too delicious. I think we need to take a bite.
Okay.
All right, let's
Ready?
go for it.
Ready?
I think she likes it.
Now, this is my all-time favorite.
And this here is the most thrilling ride ever.
So, are we gonna continue our tradition?
I mean, we have to.
Yes.
It won't be Christmas without it.
Okay.
Okay.
You're on.
All right, let's
go.
All right, Tiffany, here we are at Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer, and I cannot wait to show you inside. Are you ready? Yes. Okay, let's go.
Each season features a different theme, and this year features Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. We're taking you along for the magical ride with Santa and his crew for memories that will last a lifetime.
Now, in mid-October is when we bring the ice artisans across the globe from Harbin, China, where they are professional carvers. In Harbin, that's known as the Ice City of China, and they have outdoor huge buildings and castles. So bringing a piece of that to the United States, I think is really special. And now this is one of my favorite parts. It's our ice slide room. We have 2-story tall ice slides for kids and adults, fully made of ice. I love this room because it's the part of the movie where it's the island of the misfit toys.
Yeah.
And so you see all these beautiful toy sculptures, all made out of ice. And obviously kids and adults have a great time playing in this area.
This is awesome.
One question I get asked a lot is, where do all the colors come from? How do they make it? And what's interesting about this ice is it's made with simple food coloring that you find in your kitchen.
Wow.
And so we know for the show, how many clear blocks are we going to need that might be crystal? How many frosted that might be snow? And then all the colors as well. So it's fun to watch them, piece this together, because when the artisans first arrive, it's like a construction zone. There's chainsaws and ice blocks everywhere. But then after about a month, they're just fine chiseling all these details, and it's so, so gorgeous. And this is the most breathtaking part of ice. No matter what the theme is every year, it changes. We always end with this life-size nativity, which I think is just awe-inspiring and really reminds us of the reason for the season. And the way that they do it, it looks like clear ice.
So yes, the slides were my favorite.
Yes.
I loved ice skating.
Like the color ice was really pretty.
So Tiffany, what was your favorite part of Lone Star Christmas?
The gingerbread, no, ice tubing, no, ice.
It's okay. You can love them all. I love them all.
Yeah. Well, thank you once again for the most incredible tour of the Texan. We will cherish these memories forever.
Thank you so much for coming out so we could show the viewers a tour of all the events and activities going on for Christmas this year.
Reserve your Lone Star Christmas package by calling 817-778-1000 or visit Christmas@GaylordTexan.com.
From our family to yours,
Merry Christmas!
Woo!